Wednesday, so finally springtime. Nick can finally put his top down again. Let his hair blow in the wind.
It's crazy to think that 2 weeks ago today, everyone stayed home because no one can go to work.
That's true. We were all completely snowed in, could not move, just nothing.
Now, 70 degrees outside. Actually, my car said 80 degrees on the way home. Oh yeah.
But Nick doesn't know this yet. And he's gonna find out now. But we actually do have something to do today. Shouldn't take long.
It's a reveal! We got a new machine, and you guys get to see it first.
What?
That first gear is a little bit. That there's a John Deere.
They spelled Honda wrong.
Oh man, I was trying to do burnout.
That's the Honda Mustang dual burnout.
So what are we really doing today?
My muffler fell off.
Again?
Yeah. So we're gonna be tacking that back on, and you know what, at the same time, I'm also show you where my car is at.
So what you're saying is, we're doing an update video, but really, I'm using this as an excuse to help me fix my car.
Nick, it took me a solid 30 minutes by myself last time. I think this time we can do it in 15.
Ah! Look at that! Little pipe adjustment. Really, just an all too familiar picture. I've seen this look many times, and every time this comes up, it's usually not good. And that's what it looks like right there, folks. Frustration, anger, just no hope. Bigger. It's gotta be the one in between the two. Nope, it's metric.
It is.
Yeah, well, not really. Actually, it's your fourth.
So this has been giving
there it is. Now I see.
Quite a bit of grief. And I tell you what, tomorrow I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna take this over to Mike at Tier 3 and tell him, you know what, let's tack weld this sucker up. So I don't have to deal with it again. Oh, shit.
That's his tight fit there. How the hell does that even come out?
I have no idea.
There you go. There you go. Come on. Push. There. There you go. Tap it. You want a hammer? Or some muscles.
I'm really at an awkward angle where it's just...
List of common excuses that Nathan gives at the gym. I'm really at an awkward angle here, guys. This is... It's not the weight, it's the way I'm angled.
It is. How the hell did that slide so far, though? That sucks.
Couldn't really tell you.
I don't know. What I think I might do, I'll just loosen this one up and move the whole thing back a little bit so I got more clamping space.
Exactly.
Moved a little bit. Does it look any better at least?
Yeah, I'd probably clamp it down. You guys are looking for good quality tools. Harbor Freight tests all their tools with Nathan first before they mark out the guarantee. This is only his third wrench.
Actually, it's the second.
Oh, okay. Is that a good angle for you? You look like you're fist pumping. Jeez. Did you have that thing loose enough?
I think it's stripped out.
That might be a problem.
I think that's why it's...
Yep.
Oh, shit. Recording.
Here's a solution. You need new nuts.
You need new set nuts.
No.
Let's go for a ride.
Well, pretty sure we got what we need, right?
Yeah. Well.
Check out the local nursery. There you go. Trade him straight up.
My car's all broken. I'll just trade it in for that one.
And what did we learn today, Nate?
I got cheap hardware with my muffler.
You know, I really feel like I've become designated cameraman these last couple videos.
You know, I feel like you're wrong.
Okay, you want to get down here and actually record this though?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
It's like I could either really just drive it home.
Probably not the best idea.
Thanks for the help. I know you weren't expecting to help me fix my car, but you know.
Yeah, glad we got one reliable vehicle here yet.
So, coming up this week on Friday, we're working on Nick's car, and I'm only showing you this angle because I'm not gonna let you see the fenders on it, because Nick, you've been looking forward to this for the longest time.
They look freaking sweet,
right? So, this is all you see for now. So you just wait till Friday, and we'll leave it at that.
I can't wait.
Well, let's do it. Sweet. Well, all right, guys. Till Friday. We'll see you next time.
Well, we gotta figure out a better exit than ours. So till Friday, we'll see. Hey, you know what? I thought of this too.
Oh,
We should, like David Patterson. Everybody knows him, yet he always starts out, "Hey guys, I'm David Patterson. This is your first video time watching." Anyways.
all right. You do it.
We're not doing the entry now.
No, I want to see you do the outro. You do it better.
Oh, the outro.
Yeah, you do it
That's
better.
what I don't know how to do yet.
Hey, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that like button. No,
Smash it!
smash it.
Smash it like a hammer.
We're just calling it quits now. Yeah, guys. Till next time.